Carbs, the most misunderstood part of your diet. Some say they make you fat, others say they're essential. So, what's the truth? Carbohydrates are your body's main source of energy, the fuel that powers your brain, muscles, and every heartbeat. Without them, even simple tasks start to feel heavy. Think of carbs like the gasoline that keeps your engine running. Cut them out completely, and you'll feel the crash, low energy, poor focus, and mood swings. But here's the thing, not all carbs are created equal. There are good carbs and bad carbs, and knowing the difference can completely change how you feel. Good carbs come from natural, whole foods like oats, quinoa, brown rice, fruits, and vegetables. These digest slowly, keeping your blood sugar stable and your energy consistent throughout the day. On the other hand, bad carbs like white bread, refined sugar, and soda burn fast and leave you crashing soon after. You might feel an instant burst of energy, but it's followed by fatigue, hunger, and cravings. When you eat carbs, your body converts them into glucose, the main fuel for your brain and muscles. That's why completely cutting carbs can lead to brain fog and exhaustion. The secret isn't avoiding carbs, it's balancing them. Pairing carbs with protein and healthy fats helps your body absorb energy slowly, keeping you full and focused longer. Try this simple swap. Choose brown rice over white, whole grain bread over refined, and fresh fruit over sweetened snacks. For breakfast, try a bowl of oatmeal topped with banana, nuts, and Greek yogurt. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and protein, giving you clean, steady energy to start your day. Balanced carbs also help stabilize blood sugar, improve mood, and even support better workouts. You'll notice fewer crashes, better focus, and more consistent energy. So don't fear carbs, respect them. Choose the right kind in the right portions, and your body will thrive. Because when carbs work with your body, you don't just eat, you perform, you focus, and you live with more strength every single day. This is BodyScript Nutrition, where food becomes fuel and your body writes the story.